Hello, girls! I am Miss Tere, and now we're going to review some words. Are you ready? Yes, we are! Very good. Now you're going to repeat after me. Chair. This is a chair. Very good. Now, table. This is a table. Very good. Next one. Folder. This is a folder. And the last one. Pencil case. This is a pencil case. Well done. Let's try one more time. Chair, chair. Table, table. Folder, folder. Pencil case, pencil case. Very good, girls. Now, what are we going to do? We need some colored pencils and also this activity. Now, I'm going to teach you some actions for the colors and you are going to do the same. Ready? Green. Green. Very good. For this one, can you see well the color? Yes. Yes. Red. One more time. Red. Can you see it? Orange. Orange. And the last one, can you see this one? Blue. One more time. Blue. Just like a rocket. Well done, girl. Now listen, and then you're going to do what I'm going to say. Circle with green the table. Circle with green the table. Very good. Next one. Circle with red the chair. Circle with red the chair. Well done, girls. Now, circle with orange the folder. Circle with orange the folder. Orange. Can you see? Very good. And the last one, circle with blue the pencil case. Circle with blue the pencil case. Can you see? Very good, girls. Well done. See you next time. Bye-bye, everyone.